Now it's time to bring everything together. We'll be using CapCut to edit our videos. Simply import the videos you created with Kling AI into CapCut's workspace. Adjust the clips to your desired length and add sound effects to enhance the final result. For guidance on finding and using sound effects and background noise, check out Module 10. To enhance the quality of your videos even more, we need to add some filters and adjustments. The filters I use for my videos are 4K and Enhance. Please note that these filters are available only in CapCut Pro, as they are not included in the free version. Using these filters will significantly improve the clarity and overall look of your videos, giving them a more polished and professional feel. For even better results, add some adjustments to your video. I can't give you exact settings because every video is different. You'll need to experiment with the adjustment options and tweak them based on what you feel looks best for your video. To give you a quick comparison, I'll show you the difference between using filters and not using them. Repeat this process for all your videos and you'll create a stunning cinematic masterpiece.